How much money do you need to start trading Forex? This is the most frequently asked questions by beginners in all the classes that I have conducted. Before anything else, no matter how much money it is, make sure you only trade with money that is actually yours. Do not borrow money to trade. Do not use essential funds to trade. Example, funds that are used to pay your mortgage loans or funds reserved for your children's education. The Forex market is the largest financial market in the world. It has an abundance of opportunities and at the same time involves risk. It is only wise to trade with an amount of money that you can afford to lose, without causing unnecessary financial stress to yourself. You can start with as little as $100. If you are just starting out, it is prudent to begin with a small capital. Doing so will put you in a very advantageous learning environment as a beginner. You can focus on learning the right way to trade without worrying about making costly mistakes. As you gain experience, you can consider increasing your trading capital. This is a natural progression in your trading journey. How much money you need to start trading Forex depends on your goals, risk tolerance, and experience level. If you are just beginning, it's wise to start small, gain experience, and scale up your capital along the way.